we have now released security headers in funnels and websites. This feature enhances security measures within the CRM by enabling the implementation of security headers in funnels and websites. The benefit to this is that there's now going to be improved security. You'll be able to safeguard your CRM data and enhance trust with clients. This is also creating compliance assurance. Now you can meet regulatory requirements and industry standards effortlessly. This is also going to help enhance your reputation. It's also going to boost your reputation as a trustworthy entity within the digital sphere. This has a fairly basic use. Now your business can easily implement security headers, ensuring customers' data remains protected, thereby enhancing trust and loyalty. Let me show you exactly where you turn this on and how you customize this. First, you're going to go to any existing funnel or website, or you're going to create a new one. Now, within the security feature, in either funnels or in websites, you're going to see this new plus add security header. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and customize that header and that value based on the settings you need to have for your specific business. With the implementation of enhanced security headers in the CRM, this is going to fortify data protection measures, ensuring peace of mind for users and bolstering trust in their online interactions. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.